welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a tag that I've been seeing going around everywhere, and it is the I tried to follow a so-and-so's makeup tutorial, which I thought was such a fun concept for a video. So for today, I'm going to be trying to follow a Nikkietutorials video. I feel like she's so creative and she's so good at what she does, so I just want to see what I can come up with trying to follow her steps. Not all the products that I use are going to be the same exact ones as hers, but it's fine. We're just going to use similar things. If you guys want to see what I end up looking like at the end of all of this, then just keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video before you leave.
So I'm going to be priming using the Farsali Unicorn Essence.
Okay, so I have the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir, but I just ran out of it, so I'm just going to be priming with the No Pore Blem primer.
Foundation today, I'm using a brand new one that I've never tried before. This is Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Foundation in the color 1 and 2. Alright,
I don't have that foundation either, so we're going to be going in with the Fenty Profiltr foundation, and my shade is 290. She low-key puts on so much foundation, so I guess I'm gonna do that too. Oh my god, no. I hate when my lips are covered in foundation. Oh my god. Okay, so she's not saying what concealer she's using, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use what I've been using, which is the NARS Creamy Concealer in Custard. And I'm just gonna put in my usual spots. Okay, so I actually have this. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is in the shade 05 Fair, and I've talked about this in a previous video. I really like it, but I just realized that this is like the devil of flash photography, so just be warned that if you do use this, it does make your skin so nice, and it is such a good translucent setting powder. Not translucent, but it is a good finishing powder from the drugstore, but if you use flash, you will have that white flashback, so just be warned. So I'm assuming that she just set everywhere she put her concealer, so that's what I'm gonna do. Oh no, that was too much. And she has the eyebrows on, so I'm gonna put those on real quick, and I'll be back to continue following her. And don't worry, I'm gonna be doing my brows on camera in the next video. I just got some new brow products and I got my eyebrows done, so why not? So yeah, just stay tuned for that, and I'll be right back.
First, I'm gonna prime my eyelid using the Select Cover Concealer right back.
Okay, so I do have that Select Cover Concealer, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes just like how she's doing.
The first shade I'm going in with is by the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and it's the Fiery Orange.
Okay, so I'm going to be taking this orange shade from the Morphe 35B palette.
And go ahead and buff and blend that out big.
So I'm just going to blend this out the way I see that she is, which is kind of like everywhere. Okay, and for the yellow shade, I'm gonna go in with this yellow one from the 35B palette.
You want to keep your brush very soft to the skin, so don't put too much pressure on it, just very
So I'm just gonna like line that where the orange stops with this yellow eyeshadow. I think we're getting somewhere.
Going in with the purple, and because we have applied the orange, the purple is not going to grip onto the lid as much as you would do it on a clean base.
So I'm going to take this purple shade from the Morphe 35B palette for this part. Okay, and she's pretty much doing this in a halo eye formation, so like outer corner, inner corner, and then connecting them in the middle. So I'm going to do the same thing.
lost all stickiness from applying the shadow over top of the base. I'm reapplying a bit of that concealer to get the stickiness back for maximum cover.
Okay, she kind of goes like really far in, so I'm gonna do the same thing. And for that, I'm gonna be taking this deep blue purple shade, and I guess I'm just gonna pack that on top of that concealer, just like she did. So far, that's what we have. I actually don't think it's that bad. Okay, so we're gonna go back in with this Let's Cover Up and do a spotlight cut crease, which I've never done. So wish me luck.
Now I'm cutting the lid using a little bit of that same concealer, and I'm doing a spotlight smoky eye, so it's just focused on the center.
So from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, I'm just gonna take this shade right over here. So for that, I'm gonna use my Too Faced Glitter Glue and this NYX glitter in the shade 06. Lay it right over where we put that glue at. And then she's highlighting her brow bone with a very gold highlighter. So I'm going to use Glow Getter from the Nicole and Anastasia collab palette. And then I'm just gonna take the white shade from the same palette to highlight my inner corner.
Smoking out that waterline using a black coal. This is by Jouer.
And I'm gonna smoke it out using Rimmel. And I'm just gonna pop right back into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and take that black to set this lash line.
And setting that and smoking it out using a black shadow, and mine is also by Julia's Place called Chat.
And I'm just gonna pop on some House of Lashes Iconic Lashes. Okay, so I just went on ahead and finished both eyes, and now we're gonna move on to the face.
And bronze, next to nothing powder in medium dark, brush, doing it for bronze.
I don't have that, but I do have Benefit Hoola bronzer, and because I'm a fan of Nikkie, I know that she always uses the Benefit Hoola Light for a more lighter complexion. So I'm just gonna bronze with this one. And I'm gonna be using my current favorite blush, which is MAC's Peaches.
Nice glowing blush on those apples and working it back.
Okay, and now she's baking, so I'm gonna go back in with that Fit Me powder and my Morphe sponge with the flat edge and carve out that cheekbone, so like a negative contour. Okay, and she's using what looks like a very icy highlighter, so I'm gonna use Forever Lit from the Nicole and Anastasia collab. I typically would never use this shade on my skin tone because it's way too pale, but I'm trying to follow exactly what she does. And then I'm gonna dust off the baking.
So I'm gonna go for nude glossy lips. I just feel like it will give the most balance. So first going in with the Jouer Longwear Lip Cream Liner in Pink Champagne Shimmer.
And for lips, I'm gonna be taking MAC's Hover Lip Liner as usual because I don't have that Jouer one. And for some reason, she only lined the top of her lips, so I guess I'm gonna do the same. And I'm gonna be taking MAC's Honey Love Lipstick, which is my favorite nude at the moment. And I'm gonna be using the Clarins. It's like a lip oil, but it has a lot of these gold little shimmers in it, and it reminds me a lot of the KKW lip glosses, so I'm gonna be using that. Alright you guys, and this concludes my I tried to follow a Nikkietutorials makeup video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really like how it came out. I don't really know where I would wear this to, but I think I did a pretty good job recreating it. I really like how it came out. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.